Today in New Delhi, we had a number of meetings conducted with various ministries, primarily with the Minister for Tourism. We had a good meeting wherein we brought two new proposals and also, of course, discussed the many tourism works, given that Mysore is a tourism center. About the two proposals, the first one was to do with the old DC office, which the state government wants to make into a museum. I had discussions in Karnataka as well and here as well that we should make it into ideally a yoga museum, given the fact and the history of yoga in Mysore, the heritage of yoga that Mysore has, and the fact that modern yoga was birthed in Mysore. I think a dedicated center for yoga alongside a museum showcasing its history would be the ideal outcome of this heritage building. Both the heritage of the building as well as our yoga history will be conserved through this act. Secondly, we have also proposed that the circle in front of the LIC building in the entrance of Mysore, where our Dasara procession also ends, be done into a memorial for the elephant Arjuna, which also carried our Ambari very many times. So in view of this and of course of the tragic demise of the elephant in a forest operation, I think it will be an apt dedication towards the elephant as well as the Dasara tradition as well, given the fact that the elephants play the central role in that festival. So these two proposals have been put in front of the tourism minister. There are very many tourism activities happening in Mysore, development regarding our tourism sector in Mysore, all of which we have discussed and will be taking forward. We also had discussions regarding our Lansdowne Bazaar and Devraja market, both of which urgently need to be conserved. The state government is very much interested in demolishing them and rebuilding, but we have been continuously protesting this and saying that we need to actually restore the two buildings. And very many reports have come up saying that both buildings can be restored. So in view of this, we have also taken up the viewpoint and presented it in front of the minister. Both the bodies of ASI and INTAC who have been impleaded in the matter will also be notified of the same. The minister has given his assurance. With regards to our Mysore airport also, we've had several discussions, one with the minister and then eventually with our CM to take forward the land acquisition process. I think that is more or less complete in Karnataka, but there remains the encumbrances factor, which is the KPTCL lines and the irrigation channel, both of which the state government and the centre have to sit and discuss as to who will bear the cost for it. Once that is done, the land will be formally handed over to AI, after which we can start the expansion and development of our airport.